In this lesson, we're going to take a high-level look at an installation. All right, so I've downloaded SQL Server Express Edition, and I've unpacked it. All right, to find SQL Server Express Edition, you type in SQL Server Express Edition and the version you want, and you click on that, and it'll take you to the download. Download Microsoft SQL Server 2014 Express Edition. And you click download, and it really is that simple. To save you from all of that, I've downloaded it, I've unpacked it, and now let's run setup. So we're going to run setup. All right, so on our first screen, we have something called the SQL Server Installation Center. And you can see we have some options here. All right. Installation, maintenance, these are things we can do. Some of these are advanced with our SQL Server Installation Center. This one is what we want to do. We want a new installation. So we click on that and we say we want a new standalone installation, or you can add some features. No features, just a standalone installation. We're going to create a named instance. Why? Because this laptop already has a default instance. All right, so we're going through some global rules. All right, so here is our installation type. Perform a new installation of 2014 or add features. So if we wanted to add something to one of these, we could select add features to which version. We don't. We want a brand new instance. So we click next. We have to accept the terms on the license. Makes sense. And here, it's going to say, install the database engine. Yes. SQL Server replication. No, we don't need replication for this. So we can uncheck that. All right. Where is it going to install the binaries? Yep, sure, that's fine. Let's click next. Instance configuration. All right. Named instance, SQL Express. Nah, let's call this SQL 2K14. Service accounts. We can set them to automatically start. Disabled. The browser allows you to browse the network for other SQL servers. Disabled. Yeah, we don't need it. There's not a network here. It's just one laptop. We've talked about what collation is. We're going to leave it as the default. All right. This is case insensitive, accent sensitive. And we're going to say next. So on our database engine configuration screen, we're going to tell it Windows authentication. No, we want mixed mode, which means we can use Windows authentication and we can use SQL Server authentication. Now this is your SA password, and it tells you right here, specify the password for the system administrator or the SA. So we'll type in something secure. And we always want to add the current user. They did that for me. And that is it. It has succeeded. All right, now let's go hunt down that instance, the one we just installed. Where is it? All right, let's see if it is here. It is not here. So what do? We go to browse more. We come up here to local servers, and if we hit this little button here, it'll give us the instances on this laptop or on your server. Local, get it, local to this machine. So the default instance, and here's the one we just installed. So let's connect to it, and remember that you have been added as an administrator. All right, remember you added that when we completed our setup. That's how you're able to log in to the instance. All right, pretty straightforward stuff.